Good morning all. In last class we have seen how to handle the missing data. So now how to handle noisy data, missing data, and the inconsistent data, everything. Which means we have seen about the data cleaning process. Now we are going to see how to handle that one by one. First we have to see the missing data. In missing data means we have to do ignore the tuple, which means if class labels miss, then it is not effective one. And the second step, fill the missing value manually, which is time consuming and it is not feasible, and fill it automatically. These are the three techniques. One is we have to ignore the tuple, and second, fill the missing value with manually, or next fill it is by using automatically in the sense the global constant value we are using, likewise infinity, or we can use mean median measurement calculation, or we can do the attributes mean for all sampling data set, that is to calculate the mean and median values. And next we have to see how to handle the noisy data. In noisy data we are going to do the binning method, that is smoothing a sorted data value by constructing its neighbor values around it. And then we can do the regression method in the sense it's smoothing by fitting the data into the regression function. And then the outlier analysis, that is deducted by clusters, it detects the remove the unwanted data. So next, data smoothing methods are also used for the data discretization and reduction. So these are all the binning methods. We can do the sorted values for all the data. Then with the help of sorted value we can do the partitioning method by smooth by bin boundaries, smooth by bin mean value. So how to do mean value and boundary value, that has been given over here. And next is all about the data discrepancy detection. Here in discrepancies we'll detect the errors and make the correction, and we do the data scrubbing and the data auditing method. That is, the data auditing will have analyze data to discover the rules, and then we'll do the data transformation too. Here in data transformation we can use the migration tool. In migration tool it allows transformation to be specified. Example, it replaces the string like roll number by the serial number. And also we can use the ETL tool, that is extraction, transformation and loadup tool, with the help of the GUI. And the next stage is all about the data integration. In data integration, it combines the data from multiple sources into a coherent store. Here we'll be having the entity identification problem method. So here in this issue we'll have the schema integration and object matching, so which will be helpful for us to how equivalent the real world entities from the multiple data source to be matched. That is the entity identification problem to be done over here. Say for example, here the customer and the ID which is equal to customer number. So same entity has been redundant presentation for each and every table. So that has to be avoided, that is make some error for the schema integration. And the next thing is about the redundancy and correlation analysis. It is also the another issue. Here we will do the deduction by the correlation analysis. We'll have some formula to do the correlation. And next is the tuple duplication. So to avoid the multiple table, we'll do the tuple duplication over there. And finally we'll do the deduction and resolving the data value conflicts. For the same real world entity, the attribute values from different sources are different. So the possible reason here will have the different representation, different scales, etc., which means the metric versus the units, how we be calculating, that has been taken care over here. So this is about the redundancy and correlation analysis formula. We'll have the two attributes. With the help of the two attributes we'll be finding the chi-square. So this is the formula over there. Chi-square equal to summation of observed minus expected the whole square divided by expected. So using this formula, this has been the calculated and the sum has been solved. With the help of the male and female, how many male fiction are there, how many male non-fictions are there, and how many female fictions are there, and how many non-female fictions are there, we'll be finding over there with the help of the chi-square data, right? And next is the data integration. Here in data integration we'll do multiple sources that may avoid the redundancy and inconsistency of data. Thank you.